Let us continue to learn more features of Elementor plugins. In this video, we will use few more elements such as image, image icon, and the counters, and so many other elements. So let us begin. Before we move to the next section, let us change one important setting of Elementor. See here, when I click here, settings are not appearing. I have to right click to make the settings appear. There is an easy way as well. You need to change one setting of the Elementor. Let us exit to the WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor setting, go to advanced, then check show editing handles. Let us see whether it is working or not. Go to page that we are designing from all pages and edit with Elementor. Yes. Now with click of the mouse it shows the settings. Now let us move to the next section. This section is about what we do. We want to make this section something like this. It is combination of text, headings and images. Let us add one more section here. First, change the background color. Remember one thing here, section is customized from this button and element settings are changed from this button. To change the background color, click this one and from edit section click style, select background color and adjust transparency. Now insert heading elements from elements. Centralize it and type your text. From style, use the typography to customize the text. Change the text color to white. Change the font to Helvetica. Set the size to 35 and reduce the boldness to 300. Now we want some space between first and second section. Go to advanced, unlink values together and increase the top margin. Let us move further. Add new section and change the background color. As we need 3 different columns, insert inner section from element. Insert heading element. Change the color to white. Once again insert heading element. Insert some text. Change the size, color and weight to 300. Increase the line height to make it soothing to the eyes. Now insert image element and select picture from gallery. Now create 2 duplicate columns and remove this one. Change the content of 2 columns. If you want to put hue effect, edit this image, go to style from CSS filter, change hue. Bits of the picture can be changed from here if required. It is better to have same size of pictures for better symmetry. Let us put some space here. From section settings, advanced, unlink values, increase or decrease the bottom padding. Let us insert some entry animations. From edit column, go to advanced, then motion effect and select the entrance animation. First slide left, then slide up, then slide right. You can also change the speed of the animations from here. Yes, animations are working in our website. How to insert icon box? Now let us design this section. In this section, there are icons that animate on hovering, titles and text. Let us create this heading. Insert new section and let us change the background first. From layout, make content width to full width and height fit to the screen. Stretch section on. From style, select classic background type and select image. Change the size to cover. If you want to dim this image, use this background overlay. From classic, select the black color and change the opacity to 75%. Now our background is ready. Now let us put the title. From element, insert text heading. insert inner section. Now from element, insert icon box. Let us customize it. Change the icon, change the title and description. From style, change the primary color, adjust spacing between title and icon, make the size to 55. Let us make some modification in titles and description. First, let us change the color of the title. Use the same color code of icon. From icon, color, copy this code, go to content, paste this code, and your color is ready. Change the color of description to white. Let us change the view of this icon. Go back to content. From view, change it to frame. Change the hover effect from style and hover animation to pulse grow. Once things are final, now create 3 duplicate columns and remove the extra one and change the icon and content. How to insert image and text section. Now let us design this section. First, a new section and change the background color. Now insert heading. Now insert inner sections. Inner sections are nothing but columns. In the first section, insert image element and insert image from media gallery. Resize the first column. In the second column, insert 3 text headings. Change color to white, adjust font size, weight, line height and letter spacing accordingly. Put some space in the top of the heading. Lastly, put some entrance animation. How to insert counters. Here are some counters showing achievement of an organization. They are informative, engaging, and are offering good look to your website. Let us see how to add them. Insert new section, change the background color, change content width to full, adjust the height from minimum height. Now from element, insert counter. Now let us make some modifications. Change the ending number to any odd number. Number suffix is plus, then change the title. From style, change the text color, and from title, change the text color. Now create 2 duplicate columns and make the changes accordingly. And finally, update it. Now I hope you can easily use so many other elements in your website with the help of Element. But still, there are so many things to learn about. So we will continue our learning in the next video.